second part of this lesson. As I was saying before, you end up with negative 10. Let's do this one. If you have 8 to the 2/3 power, watch this trick. That's the same thing as 8 to the 1/3 squared. Remember back to your exponents? If you have power of a power, you multiply. We just did the same thing in reverse. I split that into factors. Okay. Now we can simplify 8 to the 1/3. That's the same thing as the cube root of 2 times 2 times 2 squared. I see my triple here. It comes out. Okay. So I end up with 2 squared. I still have the squared part on the outside, and that equals 4. Let me show you this. Part of this work's already done for you. Let's say you start with a problem that's 9 to the 3/2 power. First thing you're going to do is split that into 9 to the 1/2 cubed. Now let's figure out what 9 to the 1/2 is. Well, 9 to the 1/2 is the same thing as 9 to the square root. If it's square root, we usually don't write the 2. If there's nothing here, that means it's a square root. So it's the square root of 9 cubed, which is the same thing as 3 cubed, which is 27. Let's try this one. Let's say the problem started with 64 to the 2/3 power. What I would do is first split it. That's the same thing as 64 to the 1/3 squared. Okay, let's figure out what 64 to the 1/3 is. That's going to be the cube root of 64. Let me make a factor tree here. This is 8 times 8, which is 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. Look, I have 6 2's. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Wow! Here's one triple that comes out. Here's another triple that comes out. Let me show you how that works. This is the same thing as the cube root of 2 cubed times the cube root of 2 cubed. This is a perfect cube. That's just 2 inverses. This is the same thing, times 2, which equals 4. Now don't forget, we were squaring that. All we did so far is figure out what's inside the parentheses. So the real answer is 4 squared, which is 16. What I should have done is kept all this inside parentheses with square. Does that make sense? All right, good luck.